Welcome to Sri's Aksharamala. We are going to learn the joint letters in Malayalam. In Malayalam we call joint letters as Kuttaksharangal. Let us learn them one by one. Joint letters are formed by adding two consonants together. Take two consonants. Ta, t plus ma. We pronounce it as itma. Ta and ma written together. Itma. Pronounce it as thma. Itma. Words having itma. Patmam. Patmam, lotus. Patmam, Atmav. Atmav. Atmav, soul. Patmam, lotus. Atmav, soul. Atma. Patmam, Atmav. Na. T plus na. Na. Pronounce it as na. T na. Na. Pronounce it as tna. Na. Words having na. Ratnam. 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 Diamond or vajram. Patni. Patni. Wife. The plus the. Write the and together a write pronounce it as dda. The. Maddalam. Maddalam. Addeham. Addeham means he. It is used to show respect. When we mention a person who deserves respect, we use this word addeham. Addeham is a pronoun. Addeham. Maddalam. Addeham. Tha. The plus tha. Tha. Write the. Move upwards and draw a down girl. Tha. Pronounce it as d-d-h-a. Tha. Adhyabika. Adhyabika, teacher. Adhyabika. Adhyabika. Buddhi. Buddhi, wisdom, clever or intelligence. Buddhi. Adhyabika. Buddhi. Nda. N plus da. Pronounce it as inda. And occur one together da. Nda. Pronounce it as nda. Inda. Chandanam. Chandanam, sandal. Chandanam. Anandam. Anandam, happiness. Anandam, happiness. Nda. Chandanam. Anandam. Chandanam, sandal. Anandam, happiness. N plus dha. Pronounce it as ndha. Na and dha together. Ndha. Pronounce it as indha. Ndha. Indha. Andhan. Andhan, the blind. Andhan, the blind. Sandhya, dusk. Andhan, Sandhya. Andhan, the blind. Sandhya, dusk. S plus ka. plus ka. Ska. Write sa. Below it write ka. Pronounce it as ska. Ska. Samskaram. Samskaram, culture. Samskaram and Sanskritam. Sanskritam. Sanskritam, Sanskrit. Iska Samskaram, culture. Sanskritam, Sanskrit. Sta. S plus ta. Sta. Write sa. Below it write ta. Sta. Pronounce it as S-T-H-A. Sta. Words. Stanam. Stanam, breast. Stanam, breast. Stuti. Stuti, praise. Stanam, stuti. Stanam, breast. Stuti, praise. Stha. Plus tha. Stha. Write sa. Draw a straight line and an up curve from right to left. Pronounce it as S-T-H-A. Stha. Stha. The words having stha. Sthalam. Sthalam. Sthalam, place. Sthanam. Sthanam, position. Next, t plus sa. Ilsa. Pronounce it as Ilsa. L-S-A. Ilsa. Pronounce it as L-S-A. Ilsa. The words are Ulsavam. Ulsavam, festival. Malsaram. Malsaram, competition. Malsaram, competition. Please subscribe and watch my video. If you like my video, please click the like icon and add your comments in the comment box. Keep watching my video. Thank you.